Have you ever wondered how to create stunning videos with ease? Ever felt overwhelmed by complex video editing software? Well, there's a solution to that: InVideo. Today, we're going to dive into the world of this revolutionary online video editor that makes professional video creation a breeze. InVideo is a powerful tool designed to simplify the video creation process, making it accessible to everyone. It's perfect for small business owners, freelancers, digital marketers, agencies, and even for individuals who enjoy creating videos as a hobby. Now let's delve into the steps to create your first video with InVideo. Step 1. Sign up and log into InVideo's platform. It's a straightforward process, just like signing up for any other online service. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating. Step 2. Choose a template. InVideo offers over 4,000 pre-made templates across various categories. Whether you're creating an explainer video, a promo, or a personal video, there's a template that fits your needs. Step 3. Customize your video. Here's where your creativity can truly shine. Change the text, add images or videos, pick a music track from InVideo's library, or even upload your own. You can also adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand or personal style. Step 4. Preview and export your video. Once you're happy with your creation, preview it to ensure everything looks and sounds just right. Then, hit the export button. InVideo will render your video in high quality, ready for you to download and share with the world. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. InVideo offers two plans, free and paid. The free plan gives you access to all the basic features, including video exports in standard definition. If you want to unlock high-definition exports, additional premium templates, and more advanced features, you can opt for the paid plan. In summary, InVideo is a user-friendly platform that allows anyone to create professional videos in minutes. From choosing a template to customizing it and finally exporting your video, the process is designed to be simple and intuitive. And with both free and paid plans available, it's a tool that fits any budget. Creating stunning videos doesn't have to be a complex process. With InVideo, it's easier than ever. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your video creation journey? Remember, the only limit is your imagination.